First question is what now? Half of the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than its width, find the dimensions of garden. Here given condition is half of the perimeter of garden is given. Rectangle garden is nothing but half of the perimeter of rectangle given. Half of the perimeter of rectangle given. Perimeter of rectangle formula is what? 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B. But half of the perimeter is 2 of L plus B by 2. That means L plus B only getting here. L plus B is 36. Length plus breadth is nothing but 36 here. Okay now. But how the length? Length will depends on the width of the rectangle. Rectangular garden. Length is 4 meters more than its width. If breadth is or width is x, then length is x plus 4. 4 meters more. That means x plus 4. That means if length is x, width is y, then x becomes y plus 4. We are getting on the assumptions. First, what is given? Half the perimeter. Given question asked is half the perimeter of rectangular garden. Rectangular garden is 36 meters and the length is 4 meters more than its width. That is given condition. What to find? What we have to find from this question? Value of length and breadth. Value of length and breadth. How to find? By forming and solving the linear equation. By forming and solving the linear equation. By framing and solving linear equations. In the question directly not given linear equations. By using the given conditions, we have to derive the linear equations first. Now procedure. First, let this length of rectangular garden is how much? X. We don't know that. X meters or L meters. You may write any. Now, breadth and width both are same only. Breadth of rectangular garden. Rectangular garden is y meters. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangular, otherwise half the perimeter of the perimeter of rectangular garden is how much? 36 meters. 36 meters. Half means 1 by 2. Half is nothing but 1 by 2. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 of length plus breadth. Length plus breadth means x plus y. That is equals to how much? 36. Here by 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now it remains x plus y is equals to 36. We are getting one linear equation. Here we are getting a linear equation. And then next, this is equation number 1. Okay now. Next, length is but length is 4 meters more than its width. Width or breadth both are same only, na? That is, length means y. So x. Length is x we assume. Yes, na? Length is x. 4 meters more means for breadth we have to add 4. Breadth is how much? Y plus 4. So y will be transposed to left side. It becomes x minus y. It becomes 4. This is equation number 2. That's not. Here x and y coefficients in equation 1 and equation 2. Both are same or not? Coefficients are equal here. Okay, na? So you may add or subtract. Add or subtract by elimination method it is. Okay, na? Either x or y will be eliminated. Now x plus add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. It becomes, what it becomes now? X plus y is equals to 36 and x minus y is equals to 4. What we said? Add. By adding, no symbols will be changed. Here x plus x is 2x plus y minus y, that is 0. So that is equals to 36 plus 4, 40. So x is equals to 40 by 2. 40 by 2 is nothing but 2 under 220. So x is 20. X 20 means length is 20. If x is 20, if x is equals to 20, x minus y is how much? 4. Then x minus y is equals to 4 becomes, implies x is how much? 20 minus y, that is equals to 4. Minus y is equals to 4 minus 20. 20 is transposing. So minus y is equals to 4 minus 20 is minus 16. So minus minus get cancelled. So y is 16. That means, therefore, length of rectangular garden is, length of rectangular garden is how much? Length of rectangle, how much we got? 20 meters. 20 meters. Now breadth of rectangular garden or width of rectangular garden is
16.
16 meters. Rectangular garden is 16 meters. What is seventh question? We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0, and write another linear equation in two variables x and y such that geometrical representation of a pair so formed is intersecting lines. What is the condition given two lines are intersecting, or given two equations are intersecting lines? What is the condition? If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then the given two linear equations are intersecting lines. Okay, now ratio of any two either x coefficients or y coefficients not equal. Ratio of the x coefficients in two linear equations and ratio of the y coefficients in two linear equations cannot be equal. Then only the two linear equation represents intersecting lines. Represents the intersecting lines. So line which is intersecting line to 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. How to write a1 by a2? This is the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3. So we have to take not equals. You have to take not equals. You may write any value for x coefficient and y coefficient. Okay, now that is not a multiple of these numbers. Okay, now. So write 2x as it is right. Then 4y right. 2x and 4y right. Then a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Isn't it or not? Yes or no? Suppose you want to write a parallel line for this. Parallel line means here x and y coefficients, write its multiples. Write it multiples. Okay now. And we have to change the constant term. C term will be, you have to write as different ratio, not equal. Okay now. If it is equal, then it is coincident line. So here 2x can be written as 3x. Sorry, 2 into 2 multiplication, right? No? 2 3s are, or 2 2s are, you may write multiples of 2x, that is 4x or 6x. Next, here what number you are multiplying, same number multiply here. If 2 multiply here, we are getting 4x plus 6y. 4x plus 6y. If it is multiplied with 3, then 6x plus 9y. 6x plus 9y. Okay now. Then, in place of it, 8 as it is right. Nothing will happen. Okay now. So it is parallel line. It gives the parallel line. Ratio will be same. Constant term here. We are getting different. If you multiply with 3, then write 7, 6. Write another number. Other than 8, you may write another number. Okay now. Next. Coincident line. Total equation will be multiplied with the same number. Total equation will be multiplied with the same number. 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y, 2 8s are 16. So all the ratios will be getting same. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2 we are getting. Then the given lines will be coincident lines. Okay now. Here we have to write only intersecting line here. So given equation is, what now? 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. It is given equation. Compared to a1x plus b1y plus c1 that is equals to 0. So which implies a1 is 2, b1 is equals to 3 and c1 is minus 8. Okay now. If a1 by a2, if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are intersecting, when or intersecting lines, then a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. No one is equal. Ratios of the coefficients of either x, y or constants are not equal. So here a1 is 2, 2 by a2, 2 by a2, 3 by b2 cannot be equal. Cannot be equal. So what number you have to take? So the line (2x plus 3y minus 8) is equals to 0. Okay now. And as you wish, you may write any. In place of 2x, write 3x. Okay now. Plus here 3y write 4y write 4y. Okay now. These ratios are cannot be equal. Here 2 by 3. Here it becomes 3 by 4. The two are equal. 2 by 3 cannot be equal to 3 by 4. Plus any number, right? 6. Here 7 given, na? How much given? 8 given, minus 8 given. So plus 6 is equals to 0. Or which type of equations these are? Intersecting lines. Or intersecting lines. So to write the parallel lines, just only two ratios, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but not equals to C1 by C2 not equals to C1 by C2. Here x and y coefficients multiply with any other number with the same number. Any other means x coefficient multiply with some number and y coefficient number is multiply with another number means we are getting wrongly. So you have to multiply with the same number. With the same number. Okay now. Then we are getting the parallel lines. The parallel lines. Next, coincident line means total equation will be multiplied with the constant number. It gives what? Coincident.